Hi, to move contacts from SIM to phone storage on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly you need to find and open your Contacts app. From here, tap on three dots and choose View by Storage Location. Now you need to switch to your SIM card. In my case, it is the first SIM card. And you'll see contacts which are located on your SIM card. After that, tap on three dots again and go in Settings. Here, choose to move contacts to other storage location. Then, from here, choose your SIM card number 1 or number 2. Find contact you want to move to your phone storage. Tap Done. And in this To tab, select Phone. And then hit this blue button Move. And now one contact has been moved from SIM card to phone. Just tap OK and let's check it. I'm gonna tap on three dots again, View by Storage, tap on Phone, and yes, here it is. So if something went wrong in your case, make sure that you got enough internal storage space, because otherwise you won't be able to move contacts to your phone storage. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.